Jaod bura ma Ugenya mabende nokayi duond buch siasa mar MDG Emanindo David Ochieng oyango ni ok odwaro tiko mar duond buch siasa mar ODM ni korko nyalo yudo kanyindo gavana e kaunti ma Siaya mabende oseleko nodwaro yiero ma higa manyien mar 2027 ka otwak e gwenge ma Kono oyango maendi bang' ogai mar ODM Laktar Oburu Oginga ne nyise mar mondo mi odog e duond buch siasa mar ODM ponono odwaro kom gavana ma Siaya magi kinde niende omaki kod okil James Bobagre Orengo ka kinde niende bendo jiwo mar mondo mi jopiny mowuok e gwenge ma Nyanza we thuolo mar mondo mi oyier jotelo magidwaro ma ok ni kori sundogi kod jotelo moko.
I believe that I have the capacity, the ability, and the competence. I don't need the only best hope, our best hope as a county, our best hope as a community, without Raila, is to ensure that our counties are run by competent people. And that's why I want to ask everyone who is concerned that let people in Luo Nyanza compete properly for the seats available. If you go to Migori, allow Nyamita and or Ayaku to compete for governor. Let people decide. In Homa Bay, allow Gladys Wanga and Magwanga to compete for governor. Let the people decide. In Kisumu, allow Ken Obura and Orona and Ojienda to compete for governor. Let the people decide. In Siayaka, allow Gumbo to stand here, David to stand here. Let them tell the people what they are going to do. Governor Masiaya. Go come on. Don't put us into negotiations. 2013, we negotiated and ended up with Rasanga. 2022, we negotiated. We lost. What must happen? Siaya must be victorious. And as David Ochieng, I want to tell you, I will stand firm, I'll stand stable, I'll defend the people of Siaya, I'll be governor of Siaya, come rain, come high water.